How's it going?
Just started. And now just. Well, it's a beautiful day here in Central Oregon today. 79 degrees and light wind, no humidity, and we're back to work on Kyle's truck.
It's a bit smoky.
It's a bit smoky.
I'll add that into the Fox Shop report.
Okay, but it's not an actual.
Yeah, we need a weather report, John.
Well, I gave a real short one there. What are we doing here? We're working on Kyle's truck again. James is going
Ruby Red. How about Ruby Red?
Ruby. We need a name for this project, guys.
Ruby OBS. Ruby.
He likes Ruby. Well, anyhow, he's gonna finish sanding this off down over here. I just got the step off. Kyle's up here working on getting the radiator support off. So that should come off here tonight. And well, James is gonna. What are you doing? Are you gonna work on this now, James?
Yeah, I'm gonna come over there as soon as you're done showing them. I'm gonna sand that. Well, you
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come sand it now.
Okay, he's gonna sand that real quick. We're gonna get this glass, that glass, door handle, get that off here pretty quick. And then we're gonna start doing a little bit of filling on some of these chips and little dings.
Yeah, all the ones that are ground out either need filler or they're rock chips that ground out.
Yeah, most of them aren't much. Then we're gonna tackle that big one. I don't know.
Thursday.
We might play with it tonight.
Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday we'll probably get it fixed.
Yeah, Wednesday, because tomorrow is a really screwy.
So anyway, that's what we're up to, and I'll show you some progress here in just a little bit. I need a longer extension. Probably not. This will work.
So what editor do you use, John?
Oh.
Same as you guys. Adobe. What is it? Premiere Elements. Mine's 14, I think.
We have 17?
Either 14 or
15.
15. I don't know.
No, didn't we buy 18?
Not yet. I think we're on the old stuff.
Okay, now come here. Come here. See how the door track is in there, so we don't forget.
Yeah.
It's clipped in there like. Well, that bolt's still in there. Take that bolt out. That will drop. See that? See that right there? Oh, it's fitting up in there.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll fall out of the way. Now I get to that other bolt. It's 10 millimeter, whatever it is.
Here.
There it is.
And on these guys, you get a flat bladed screwdriver and you pop this guy right here out, and that removes your lock cylinder. After, you got to take the rod out. We can show you that in a second.
Don't drop.
Oh, I got it. Hold on, I got it. I got it. You got to unhook the rod still, don't you?
Yeah, I don't want that bolt to drop down in the door. There we go. Alright, hold on.
You got this.
I don't remember how that rod. Oh yeah. Almost. There we go. Yep.
Yahtzee.
I gotta turn it a certain. Keep turning. Right there. Should be able to wiggle it out. There you go.
Wow, those are a tight fit.
Yes, they are.
I dropped this on the ground. Take that.
Both gaskets there?
Yeah, both gaskets are here. I'm gonna go put this in the $200 truck.
Screw those into it.
Okay. I gotta put down the GoPro to do that, or you take the GoPro.
Screw those into it.
You like all the eraser wheels? They're just covered in eraser wheel. I am so done eraser wheeling. I want to get back to sanding, actually. I don't like the eraser wheel. It stinks. It smells like I'm doing a burnout.
That's because you run it at 10,000 RPM when it's supposed to be run at 4,000 RPM.
Well, I'm trying to go. So that's
all right.
So it's an angle.
Yeah.
Did I learn something today?
Yes. Yes. What's going on here, James?
So I used to do this without breaking these, but they're getting older and older. I reached in here and I pulled the rod, but I broke the plastic piece. Not really much you could have done because they're supposed to pop. I mean, you could probably get in there and massage the plastic pieces with the flat blade and then pull on it, but I just reefed on it and then it popped. But I can fix it. I didn't break it.
I think we have more anyway. Maybe.
I do need flat blade screwdriver. So, should to walk it back and forth, right?
Right.
My blades already ran out, then I slide it in there. That way. And that way.
Pull it with your fingers.
You can. I like to actually get a pair of the vice grips if they don't want to come, but that's that. And then your lock cylinder just falls out. Should. So make glue this one. Give me a little push on the back side.
Get to it. There we go.
Oh, what's going on? There it goes. Just has a lot of dirt in her.
You're gonna have to walk it out that way.
Well, this is just not going like I wanted it to.
How many people does it take
To
get a lock cylinder out?
let me see. Do-si-do. Oh, I see. We're stuck on a clip. There's another clip. The clip that holds, that shouldn't be bent like that. Flat blade me. You can stick the, or I don't think you can see it on camera, but I need to push that down. This needs to go down.
We'll get it.
That's very interesting. I've never seen one do that before. There you go. Now I got it. I got it on the run now. This was fighting
What's
me.
holding it now?
I don't know. I thought they just slid out.
Oh, this plastic piece is still.
You're not supposed to disconnect that. I thought you were supposed to leave that on. We failed. We failed miserably on this one. Got it out, guys. There was a plastic piece that fell in the door that was back there. Holding that. I don't know exactly. I hit that with this damn. That'll buff. See where I hit it with the sander?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know.
Anyway, not exactly sure what was holding that in there like it was, but.
Move it down there somewhere. You don't need it. Because that other metal piece holds it in there. I don't know what that was. Anyway, block cylinders out, guys.
Extra part.
Extra part. Kyle.
So the radiator support's out. James is over here trying to take credit for it, but he was sanding. We got it. We got it. James, he's sanding. Kyle got most of it. I just like helped at the very last bit, but yeah, radiator support's out. We're gonna put that one in. Gotta get the radiator and all that stuff off of that one, but so like I said, James has been back here sanding on this. Just about got it all sanded down. There's a spot right here. This whole section right here needs a little bit of work. Not a lot, but a little bit. Right there is kind of a bigger spot, but something hit it from right up in here all the way down here. And I don't think it's going to take a whole lot to fix that. All these little spots that James has kind of sanded out, just little dings, little tiny, like I can't even feel them, but we're gonna run a little bit of filler over them, sand them down, just make sure they're good. The tailgate, this tailgate isn't staying on here. It's going to be replaced. But like I've said before, this one's going to be the big one. I think we're going to play with that a little bit tonight, but I think that's going to be tomorrow or the next day. We're going to get that all taken care of. Yeah, making progress, guys. James, you missed a spot over here.
I said I had some hand sanding to do.
All right, chop chop.
Well, yeah, I've been over there.
I know. It's okay.
I'm gonna come back over here.
It's all right.
In a minute. I've got about an hour over there before I'm back over on this side.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back to my other side.
All right.
You said it wasn't on time lapse. I hope I recorded earlier.
Well, now it's recording. Okay, James, what do we have going on over here?
You need a new GoPro. You might need a 4. The 4 is.
I'm having some issues here, but anyway, we've got Kyle over. He's over there somewhere.
Yeah, I'm over here.
He's been designing us up some new. No. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we're going now.
All right, we're going now.
All right. So what is going on over that way?
That way, Kyle's working on merch.
We've got Mr. Kyle over here.
And
we have some really cool die-cast stickers that Kyle came up with a neat logo for. T-shirts, hoodies. We may come up with some other things. Yeah.
Want to see what the stickers look like?
Yeah, there's what the sticker, well,
Yeah, hold
that
on.
was a square sticker.
Where's
The
my
die-cast sticker is really cool. These are going to be limited edition, guys. We think, yeah, there we go,
That's
right
what
there.
That's what they'll look like.
Die-cast,
Cut out.
custom cut.
Yep.
Custom cut die-cast.
I like it.
You guys are going to want
There will be a link down below for those, possibly at the, well, these guys can't do it yet because whatever reason, but
Make us big. Come on over. Join the party. Let's get those sub numbers up over here.
I'm going to try to get linked down below on my videos. It'll be a banner across there, and it should have them on there. If not, there's going to be a link in the description. We're going to have those fancy die-cast dual channel stickers. Also looking for probably hoodies and t-shirts.
Yep.
Hoodies, t-shirts. What else do I have that I... Be some stuff.
There's stuff and things.
Be some stuff.
Stuff and things.
But it's going to be limited edition. We're not going to offer these for a long time. So, there's...
When they're gone, they are gone. Let's just put it that way.
But they're pretty cool, guys. So, check the link out down below. If you want one, they have our dates that I'm out here working on Kyle's truck. This truck right here. And if we collaborate in the future, which I think we will, we'll probably do another one. But right now, that's what we're coming up with. I like them. I think they're pretty good.
Oh, look, you know, I'm going to pick up truck right here on the back window really nicely.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
It's gonna look good. So guys, with that being said, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, go check out John back there, Fox Shop. A lot done so far, and you know what, guys, it would help out a bunch, and I think people are doing it. Drop these links in social media, Facebook, Instagram. Just drop our videos in, share it with family, friends, everything. It's a big help. That's, you know, everybody asks, well, what can we do? You know, do we need to, send you something? That is a big help right there. Just
I know
sharing,
somebody on my
sharing,
channel
sharing.
dropped it down in Twitter, and that's what we need. We need that helps. Any little bit helps.
Let's build these channels, build the projects. I mean, the bigger we get, the more projects we get, and maybe get John out here even more often. So
Exactly. It's hard to get your name out no matter what you're doing. YouTube, it's just hard. You're nobody. So
yep. Shoot.
Yeah.
Drop it in. And with that being said, guys, we'll see you here on Central Oregon Shenanigans, and we'll see you on tomorrow's episode.
In the Fox Shop.
And the Fox Shop.
We still got Kyle over here working
Surprise.
on stuff, but I think I'm going to close it up here. Check out the link down below. I think I'll have it ready at the end of this video. If not, it'll be at the next one. I still have to get my giveaway name out, so stay tuned for that. So with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe to Central Oregon Shenanigans. Hit that notification bell. Help us out with any social media stuff that you can, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.